Anytime somebody says, what do? You have to realize, like, what did that guy, who was that? I don't know, General Grievous? I don't know. In Star Wars, where he goes, it's a trap, right? It's a trap. When somebody says, what do you do? And you say what you do, GPS tracking, equipment rental, home painting, it's a trap. You need to say, would it help if I gave you an idea of the kinds of things that I do? Right? A lot of companies, they're using air tags, or they're using very sophisticated, very expensive tracking, a lot of times overkill. What I'm able to do is help them with a solution that goes right down the middle, where you typically get all of the features and benefits of the sophisticated system at literally 2% of the cost, but you're not having the exposure and the liability that you would when you're just sticking an air tag on something. Just out of curiosity, how are you guys dealing with that? Or with Rick? What do? Instead of Rick saying home painting, right? I work with builders, developers, and architects, and predominantly, especially with everything that's going on in the market right now, real estate agents that need to make sure that they're putting that home's best foot forward. Now, Rick is probably going to curate this to his audience. He knows he called a realtor, right? We've got a lot of listings right now that are starting to pile up. It's starting to get really scary. Right? What I specialize in is working with that agent, knowing full well that that seller probably has their Zestimate from Zillow printed out and taped to their refrigerator. They think their house is worth, I don't know, $7 billion more than it really is, because back in 2023, Zillow said it was worth that much. What I do is work with that real estate agent, and I'm kind of the voice of reason in helping make sure that that buyer knows. Might require a little bit of resources and a little bit of money out of their pocket to get that home in the best possible light, so that the 7 buyers that are out there in the industry, when one of them books a showing, that house looks and smells its best, right? God, that is exactly what I need, Rick. Sure, does it make sense for me to take a look at some of the listings that you have? I'm happy to put together a quote. Even if you guys don't paint, at least you'll know what it costs to get it done right without overpaying for something just to get it. That's all Rick would have to do with his raise your hands. Guys, we have to get ourselves out of obscurity. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.